Now we gotta get rich. I choose using AI. This website right here is gonna print any type of clothing, cup, whatever you want, and you don't even have to have it in your possession. They do it, you'll never see it. Let's get into it today. I introduce you to Gelato. Now, I'm not talking about the bud, and I'm not talking about the ice cream. This is a print-on-demand service for your e-com business. Now, let me show you a little bit of facts about this, bro. 90% of all orders are produced locally. 90% of the orders are within 5 days of ordering, and they have 140 plus print providers across 32 countries. So it's not just in America. Before y'all spam the comments, it's not just in America, it's international. Before we start making our own stuff, let's see what they make. So they got apparel, calendars, drinkware, wall art, cards, accessories. Let's see all the products they have that you can get printed from your house. So bro, I'm seeing right here, you can go right here and see the new low prices, new arrivals, bestsellers. But when we scroll down, you see some photo books, you see some hats, you see cards we can make, you see iPhone cases, mugs, bottles, and even what's this? They got brands that they work with. So they work with Under Armour, Champion, and whoever the hell the other people are. This is fire. All right, so now we logged in. Once you create your account, it's free, my dog. You're gonna be able to see this on the back end. And what we're gonna do for the sake of this video is actually make a little product that people can start purchasing now, so we can show you as an example how does it work. So you know what? I'm gonna go with a low. I ain't seen nobody wear a polo in a minute. So we got a polo. All right, they were all out of polos, so they got t-shirts here. So now we're gonna go through with a t-shirt. This is a unisex heavyweight crew neck t-shirt. So this is the good quality, you know, with the good collar that don't got the bacon neck that be hanging down here. This is a good one. So now you can see what sizes you want to sell it in. Medium, large, extra large, 2XL, 3XL, 4XL. So you know we live in America, you know the size is different. You know people can get different sizes. So it also shows you if you wanted the extra large, how much the product price would be. So it's gonna be 14 euros for this product if you want it in white, if you want it in this color. It's going to show you live on screen what you can get, and then you can see how much the shipping is, which is 3 euros, and it's going to get to the person within 4 to 6 business days. That's fire. All right, so now we want to create our order. So what I'm going to do right here is just toss a little picture that we have, and you see you can choose where you want to get the picture from, Google Drive, Shutterstock, or whatever. I'm just going to choose, how about this picture of iShowSpeed? Here's one. So I made an AI picture of iShowSpeed. We have the file right here. It's loading right here to the platform as you see. And once loaded, you simply click it and boom, we have a picture of Speed on our shirt, just like that. You can resize it, put it whatever you want. And you see that little pink line that's gonna let you know when things are centered. So sometimes it's the small details that matter that, you know, can make the difference when it comes to designing stuff. So we got the shirt. Now on the back, we're gonna do another photo. How about Lil Wayne at Denny's? This is another AI picture I made. So while this one loads up, you see it's loading. Once it's ready, the bar goes away and boom. We got a picture on the front, we got a picture on the back. You can even change your inner neck. So this is where you want to put your brand logo. So my company is called Manifestor Magnet Marketing, or my name is The Session. So you can put that logo or whatever you want right there. You can change the outer neck, left sleeve, right sleeve, and whatever is available to be customized, it won't be grayed out here. So you see outer neck is grayed out here. So on this particular product, that option is not available. Oh, and by the way, if you like this website, click the description because I'll have links to everything you need. Again, this is gonna let you print on demand your clothing, cups, whatever. You feel me? Back to the video. Now, when you got your shirt or your custom product ready to go, you simply press view. And look at this, we got a shirt with iShowSpeed. The front, the back is Wheezy F, working at Denny's, which you didn't even know happened. And you see the sides, we didn't put any details or anything there, but you can go to add to order and you can literally order this product right now. Okay, and when you have the product ready that you got to customize to your liking, you think it's crispy, you think it's fire, people will buy it. What you can do is you can order a sample. Now you can order 1, you can order 2, and you see right here how much it's going to cost you. This is that simple, bro. So any print on demand product that you want printed, you see the girls with all the planners and cups and mugs. This is one of the ways people can do that, and you never have to touch the product ever. So you literally can start making some fire viral videos or posting some viral AI pictures like I've been doing and getting over 15 million views a month with pictures. You can do that now, and you can start selling products right here. And when you go to the side, you see they have different templates. You can create your own template. They got branded packaging, analytics for whoever clicks your products, who buys, who sells, where the traffic's coming from. And they even have a mock-up studio, okay? So this is gonna let you see your product in real time. So you can even go here and they have a beta mock-up. Well, what you could do is you can select one of the products from your store and you can change it, edit it with what? AI. And again, all this is gonna be done in under 10 minutes. You can connect stores if you already have an Etsy, a Shopify, any of those stores, you can connect them all right here. They have tons of integrations. This is Gelato. Like the video. Make sure you go ahead, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to use Gelato right now and start making some products that you can sell from the crib, I suggest you check the description below. I got everything you need. Like the video, subscribe, and until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did!